Hey everyone, it's Jeff Farina with Pocketnow.com, and one of the devices that's been stealing a lot of the spotlight lately is a Samsung device that's available on Verizon, and that is the Samsung Continuum. So, let's go ahead and unbox it. And we're back with a nice view of the Samsung Continuum's box. Now as you can see here, it is a Galaxy S phone. Now one really cool thing about this device is it actually incorporates a second screen, or a ticker if you will, which we will take a look at further in one of our software overviews. But just kind of taking a quick look around the box, as you'll see here, contained in the package is going to be the device itself, a pre-installed 8 gig micro SD card, the wall charger, battery, warranty information, and all that fun stuff. So let's go ahead and get this guy open. Now we have the actual Samsung Continuum device here. We're going to go ahead and put it aside real quick, and we're going to jump right into the box itself. First up, we're going to have the USB sync, which is a micro USB. So it is good to see that almost all, if not all, of the Android devices are now using the micro USB. You're going to have the wall adapter, which will give you the option to plug in that sync cable there. Lithium-ion battery, which looks like it's going to be a 1500 milliamp hour battery. And then we're going to have the actual manual tips, hints, and shortcuts. So let's actually go ahead and put the battery right in the device itself. We'll get it booted up, and we'll take a quick look at how it first appears when you turn it on for the very first time. Okay, and we have now booted up the device. And as you'll see here, it's loading the typical Samsung Galaxy S logo. The Verizon logo pops up. What was really cool was that ticker was actually animated the entire time. And that's going to actually display the clock down here for us. It shows a lock symbol, so that's actually kind of a dual notification system. We'll actually go ahead and get this device unlocked. Now, this is the first time we've actually turned it on. So this is a raw setup, which we're going to skip for now. And once again, that was the backup assistant. And we'll also skip the Google setup. Just for the time being, we want to give you a quick look at the actual device. It does give you some tips on how to actually use it. And it's basically going to show notifications, which are going to involve email, SMS updates, messages, instant messages, voicemail, RSS feeds, etc. in the future on that ticker screen. Once again, we're going to skip through all of this here, just so we can get to the home screen. Right off the bat, we're going to see a typical Samsung TouchWiz style interface as far as the menu system goes, which will let us scroll left, right. It's going to give us the 7 home screens, at least default. Right now we're in the middle. As you can see these dots up here. We can scroll to the left 3 screens, and to the right 3 screens as well. And as typical fashion, a lot of the devices now are becoming pre-populated with different widgets and applications. We will give you a further look at the software of this device in a future video. But for now, this is just a quick look at how it actually appears when you first turn it on, ticker and all. And that will be one of the very cool things we're going to actually take a look at, is going to be that ticker, and we'll show you how it actually works in a real-world use case scenario. So, as always, thank you very much for watching, everyone. If you've liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, and make sure you stay tuned for our future coverage of the Samsung Continuum from Verizon Wireless. Thanks, everyone.